there was somebody out there. Obviously now there is.
Yeah, they know now.
They all know.
And he's getting kicked around. You see that light bulb?
Oh yeah, I can see him pretty good on the camera.
Oh yeah. Recording it?
Yeah. Looks like he's gonna set it down.
He's not gonna take all the collective off though, I guarantee it.
Oh no.
They're probably fucking running over there.
Yeah, he's down.
Get me the hell out of here.
It's hard to keep it stable because I'm zoomed in so far.
Corey's probably half hung over.
Yeah, one going over.
Yeah, let him go.
He's not moving slow.
I'll tell you how far out he is once he friggin' takes off and starts headed this way.
I don't see another one though.
Maybe there was just the one.
It could have been just a snowmobile and a sled.
Yeah. All the stuff out there made it look like there's more than one person.
Probably like, hey, what's going on, man? Thanks for the raid.
Yeah.
Come up here being a helicopter pilot. I bet you didn't think he was going to be fucking 911 rescue.
Yeah.
That's
You're pretty much everything when you're in fear.
Oh, I know. That helicopter has saved a lot of fucking people.
No, there's another person moving around.
Person over there.
I thought I seen it.
Better hurry up. Leave your shit. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
It was expensive. That guy's gonna park right in your damn way, ain't he?
Can't even see him. I'm zoomed in far enough.
Come on, Corey. Let's go.
The people getting in the goddamn helicopter.
How many of them are there?
At least two.
I haven't seen another one. They're leaving a bunch of gear on the ice, obviously.
Well, yeah, doesn't give them a bill for polluting.
Yeah.
Is he moving yet?
No.
God, he's a ways out there. You wouldn't even see that thing unless it had a light on it. I bet you that's got ice blowing out probably another half mile since we first started this.
Maybe, yeah.
Working tomorrow.
Corey, get your passengers secure. My arms are getting tired from holding this camera.
Get in, sit down, and shut the fuck up.
I think that thing records sound.
It does.
Sorry.
Oh, there's so many F-bombs on it now. What does it matter?
F-bombs are kind of adjectives here.
You can always show people the video and then just turn it down.
Yeah.
There was no sound to it. The sound wasn't working right. Sorry, guys.
At least you get to see something interesting while you're here, Nate.
Yeah, no shit.
You can still walk out on the ice this way.
There he goes.
Yep, he's up. On his way.
Now they're all going to rush over to Bering Air. Crap.
He's meandering over.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah,
I'm sure they're fine. They were moving around pretty well.
Oh, yeah, they're dressed for it, I'm sure.
case it looks straight for bearing you. We're gonna go play nosy. Everybody and their brother is nosy.
No, I can't even see him. I'm just following him on the camera.
Turn it off. Pretty much it.